Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify connect Shopify orders to Airtable using no-code automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Find and click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, locate and click on Manage Private Apps. Create a new private app by clicking on the Create a New Private App button. Name your app and provide necessary permissions for order data. Make sure to note the API key and password generated for your new app. Next, log into your Airtable account. Create a new base or select an existing one where you want to connect your Shopify orders. In your Airtable base, make sure to set up the relevant fields for the order data. Now, open a new tab and navigate to a no-code automation platform such as Zapier or Make. Sign into your chosen automation platform. Create a new automation scenario or ZAP. Select Shopify as the trigger app. Choose the trigger event new order to monitor incoming orders. Connect your Shopify account using the API credentials you obtained earlier. Test the connection to ensure it works properly. Next, select Airtable as the action app to receive the data. Choose Create Record as the action event. Connect your Airtable account using the API key from your Airtable account settings. Map the fields from Shopify to the corresponding fields in Airtable. For example, link order ID, customer details, and product information. Once all fields are mapped, run a test to ensure the data is being sent to Airtable correctly. After successful testing, name your automation and enable it. Monitor your Airtable base to confirm incoming Shopify order data is captured correctly. Congratulations! You've now successfully connected Shopify orders to Airtable using no-code automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.